go ahead.
Alright, Friday, the Houma to the river was about right there. Now it's about 1,500 foot that way.
Y'all see where that white van is? You probably got 20 feet till the water hits the white van down there. And look, we're way the fuck over here now. See at the end of the bridge is? Right there. Are you ready?
That is where the banks of the Houma Chittle start. All of this water right through there is over the bank. Ain't been that high ever. This is higher than the flood of 1927 and 1973.
Sure enough, man. This is cool as hell. I have never seen it get this high before. Look at that. About right there, in that area. That area right there. Where the bank is. You have to stop for cars and stuff. Are you ready?
Alright. Right there is the center of the Houma Chittle River. There's usually about 25 foot of water in it when the water comes back up. Usually have about 2 foot to the top of the bank. Not no more. This has got it beat totally.
Oh yeah. Hit him up down there, explain that down there too.
Right there at that tree line is where the south bank of the Houma Chittle is. And you can see water's going another 1/8 of a mile up. We'll show you this trailer house here in a minute when we get back in the van and go on where the water's up to. And a field that it ain't never got to yet.
This is, man, it's massive. It's massive.
Still got about 3 feet of rise to go.
Yeah, sure enough. We got like it's finna go, it's unbelievable. 3 more feet. I have never seen it like this. It's like all this area from like here back to the tree line right there. Right there. Is sand beach. We call it a beach. We know it's just like the edge of a river. But, we can't be like all y'all fancy fucks like on the coastlines and shit. So we got beaches down here too. What's up? Alright, go ahead.
That mound of dirt and that mound of dirt is what's up by the boat ramp. That opening right there is the boat ramp that would come down to the Houma Chittle River. Don't need it now, because the ramp is underwater.
Yeah, you're gonna need a major boat. And spears. Don't forget your spears, y'all. Catch all kind of fish like pamataya. I'm finna do that this weekend. I'm gonna come down here with me some hip waders or whatever you want to call them. And I'm gonna come down here and spear me a fish. I'll show y'all. Maybe. If I'm lucky, I'll get one. But anyways, yeah, there it is. A close picture of it. All that used to be like sand. Yeah. Like all that was sand. And, ain't no more. Let it rock.
Alright, where the boat's sitting is where we would always come at down here, camp out on the weekend, build a bonfire, catch us some fish, roast some weenies, have fun with the family and friends. And now, you see, you have to wade over there. No fire building now.
I'm waiting on you now. Okay, so we're getting the mileage of how far we walked and whatnot, just being curious and stuff. And see, about right here is where the where the road was. You know, just you can't really see it, but you know, it's there. Well, it was. And there it is. That's where the bank stopped. All this was beach. What we sitting at?
2/10 of a mile. 3/10. 3/10 center.
3/10 of a mile. 3/10 of a mile. Wasn't very far. Felt like forever. But look at this here. Check this out. All this here was just what were they doing? Growing Christmas trees?
Yeah, pine trees.
It's pine trees. It's a little small pine tree forest that they planted. And look at this here. See the trailer?
It ain't never got that far.
Never been that far. He's right. There's another one way the hell over there. But anyways, there's that one. I mean, it's like right knocking at the back door.